Step-by-step guide to leasing containers. Certification, procedures, and challenges. Welcome to this video, where I'll walk you through the entire container leasing process, step by step. Whether you're new to leasing containers or looking to understand the certifications and requirements, this video will guide you through the process, ensuring that you're aware of the challenges and steps involved. Leasing a container may seem straightforward, but it comes with its own set of challenges. So, let's get started. Step 1. Certification requirements for leasing containers. The first step in leasing out your container is ensuring it has the right certifications. You can't simply purchase any container from the market and lease it out. Every container must be certified. The most important certification is the ISO certification, which guarantees that the container meets international quality standards. If you're thinking about purchasing a container, prices can range anywhere between USD 300 to USD 5,000, depending on the size and quality. Keep in mind that cheaper containers may compromise on quality, and shipping companies won't accept low-quality containers. Step 2. Compliance and documentation. Before leasing out a container, ensure you have ownership of the container. You cannot lease out a container that is rented or borrowed. Alongside ownership documents, you'll need a CSC certification. The Container Safety Convention, CSC certification, established in 1972, ensures that the container meets all safety standards for international use. This certification includes an inspection of the container's frame, walls, doors, and components to ensure they meet quality standards. Without this certification, no shipping company will lease your container. Step 3. Leasing agreement. Once you've met the certification requirements, the next step is drafting a lease agreement. Shipping companies typically have their own lease agreements ready. Make sure to read the agreement carefully and consult a legal expert if necessary. Key terms in the agreement will include the duration of the lease, the condition of the container, responsibility for repairs and maintenance, return policies, and the agreed-upon price. There are two main types of leases. 1. Master lease, long-term leasing generally used for regular shipping operations. 2. One-way lease, short-term, typically for a one-way trip or shorter distances. If you found this video interesting, please comment. We will bring in detailed information shortly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By doing so, you're helping not only yourself but others who want to gain knowledge in this industry. Together, we can contribute to the growth of the economy. For more in-depth information, visit our website at Freight Agent Online. And don't forget, you can join our freight forwarders community for free to gain visibility on a global platform. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.